Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a couple of things that I hauled or that I purchased that I want to share with you in this haul video. So I had ordered from Simon Says Stamp, and I really wanted the Tim Holtz or the Ranger dust spritzer thing, but it was back ordered. They were going to get it for a while, so I told them to go ahead and ship out my order, and I'll order that thing later or separately. So I did go buy the Splat box. I've kind of been needing it for sprays and paints and stuff like that. I kind of been playing a game of chicken, not having something. So I went ahead and purchased that from Simon Says Stamp. With any purchase, this was the free gift. And it's pretty cool. I'm definitely going to have to try it out. I saw people demonstrating this. There's videos on it, but basically you use this template to use these stamps to stamp out a wreath. Somehow it comes out and it does it. It's pretty cool. So we have to give that, a go. I did buy some alcohol ink in Mushroom, and I'm going to try something out. I also got the Tim Holtz baubles because I wanted to try some stuff. And I don't even know if I'm going to be able to even do it before holidays end, but maybe I'll make it for something else. So I did order this stamp set. It was on special. I forget how much it was. It was a one-day special deal. And not only did you buy it on special, but you also got a gift card. So it comes with the dies, and I get $5 to spend. So I have that. Plus, I think I have a coupon somewhere for that. So I did get that. And then I ordered, it's hard to see if everything is here because, let me see. I ordered from Cricut Desert Divas. And everything is crazy over here. Here we go. Cricut Desert Divas, because I got a free gift and I wanted to show you guys that gift, and it kind of is tiny. So with a $40 purchase, I think you got this little stamp for free, which is really, really cute. I really liked it. I saw them do some really cute things. So from Cricut Desert Divas, my very first order from them, I really wanted this stamp set. It's kind of big, but it's called Mighty Trolls. So what she does is she has trolls in place of sort of famous cartoon-like characters, like Harry Potter, for example. And in this case, various superheroes, right, as trolls. It's really, really cute. I thought it'd be really cute to make some boy cards, like boy birthday cards and stuff like that. So I did get that. Really wanted that one. And then this is also part of their new release as well. It's called Nice to Meet You. And I love that because it's got some Valentine's stuff, but also like this could be a really cute birthday. And the sentiment's hilarious. Is old fart, young heart. That wouldn't work for everybody, but I have a friend that would love that. So I did get that. And then I did order 2 different orders from LDRS Creative. So, oh wait, I have one more thing from Cricut Desert Divas. This one right here, which is really cute. I did get that one. Okay, so I ordered 2 things from there. I don't even know if I have all of the prices for them. I'll share the prices as I know them, or I think I know them. So I got this pocket watch, and that pocket watch was $2.50. I also got this ornament, which that ornament is the Hope ornament. It's $1.30. And I got this ornament, and it's beautiful. That ornament, so you can see the size of that. That ornament is called Peace, and it was $1.30. I got this one right there, and that sleigh ride border was $2. And then this one, which I just think is beautiful, that one is the Snowy Day border. It's $2. And then this one right here is the Dewdrop Circle. of a dewdrop border die or dewdrop circle. I don't know. Very cute. And then that one was $2.25. And then let me see if I can find the receipt for the other one so I can tell you the prices. Here it is right here. So the other ones that I got was this one right here, which is called Holidays, and you get 8 pretty good sized stamps. So that was $1.85. This one, which is the Gilded Doily, that one was $1.90. It's beautiful. This one right here is quite big. That one is the Majestic Frame. It was $4.10, but look at the size of that sucker. So that would have to definitely be on a big card because it's like, well, 3 1/4 wide. I don't know. It's really big. So it's really big. So anyway, no biggie on that one. I have a big enough machine that'll fit through. So this is Monster Mash. This was $2.10, and this one's amazing because it comes with the dies. Just so cute, and it comes with the dies, which I just can't even believe. So for $2.10. And then also for $2.10, I got this one, which is Big Hugs, which is adorable and really cute for Valentine's Day. And then I also get the dies with it as well. So really, really good deal. And then so I ordered for the first time from what's it called? It's Abroad. Little Things from Lucy's Cards. So I'm going to show you that. And so I ordered a bunch of kind of different things to try. Some of them were on sale and will be saved for next year because they're Halloween. But I got this Sugar and Spice kind of sequined mix. It has stars and it's really pretty. And then this one, which is called Sprinkles Unicorn Crush. This one is Skull and Crossbones. That one was on sale for sure. Snowfall. This one's Creepy Cobweb. This one is I Believe, which is, I want to say is also kind of a Christmas one, but it could be used other ways. Happy Haunting. This one's Gingerbread Wishes. I love, love, love this one. There's teeny tiny little gingerbread sequins in this one. It's just amazing. This one's called Frozen. So, and then this one has like snowmen in it. Snowman, little tiny snowman, which is really cute. This one is called Fantasia. So it's like a Disney mix. And then this one is Halloween. So I just wanted to give those a try. That's something new for me. And then I did get an order in from Tupelo. My order came a little quicker than normal. So I didn't buy a lot of things from them, but since it was here, I'll show you what I got. They had a big sale for Black Friday. So this is actually a Black Friday item. So I did get more diamond stickles because I do use the various different ones of the clear stickle. So I use, this one is my favorite, which is diamond. I think that one, and this one's crystal. That's the one that I'm using right now as my clear. But I prefer diamonds because the crystal has like a rainbow kind of effect, and I prefer not to have that, but it's fine. I got just one stamp set, which I thought was adorable, and it was really good price. It's the Stuck on You by Avery L. I got that one, and the die was really cheap. And then I got this one, which I'm really interested in doing some swatching and creating, color palettes of things, like especially when I use my Copic markers. So I'm starting with this one because it's a simple one, but I might get the bigger swatch stamp set that she has because I think I'm wanting to do that because I think that would be a really good way of keeping track of my stuff because I don't, and I'm going to probably have to go through and just do my yearly go through everything because I can't find anything. So I need to resort my stuff because it's a nightmare. I can't find anything. I don't know if I'm the only one who just can't find stuff or what. So I do have another order from Pink and Main. And I also have an order from scrapbook.com. So I'm waiting for my order from Pink and Main because I did 2 orders, and I'll tell you why when I show that order, but I only got one of them. So I'm going to wait on that one. So I'm going to show it all together. But anyway, this is my latest haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.